iPhone 17 Pro to feature a smaller dynamic island using Meta lens technology and even thinner bezels for a strong visual effect. The iPhone 17 lineup will bring a lot of variations in terms of design, especially with the rumored Air model, which is expected to be the thinnest iPhone from Apple. As for the Pro models, it is being reported that the company will finally shrink the dynamic island through the use of Meta lens technology. Other than this, the iPhone 17 Pro models are also expected to feature a part glass, part aluminum design, but there have been no solid confirmations regarding the change. The dynamic island will get smaller on the iPhone 17 Pro models using the Meta lens technology. Apple brought dynamic island to the lineup with the launch of the iPhone 14 Pro, which was quite a change, as the company intended to move away from the notch. However, the standard iPhone 14 lineup featured a notch for another year. The entire iPhone 15 and iPhone 16 lineup came with a dynamic island, and it has been 3 years since the company has kept the design. According to my drivers, Apple is planning to launch the iPhone 17 Pro Model S next year with a slightly smaller dynamic island, and it is planning to use the Meta lens technology to make it happen. Meta lens technology on the iPhone 17 Pro models will allow the Face ID module to be smaller than it is right now. The source also claims that the borders on the device will be even smaller, as the company is gradually moving towards its all-screen iPhone design. It has been stated that the overall visual effect will be stronger with the smaller bezels as well as the smaller dynamic island. Ultimately, Apple aims to move to an all-screen design with no distractions on the front. This means that in addition to zero bezels, the company will also aim to eliminate the dynamic island altogether. For this to happen, Apple would have to adopt imperfect under-display sensors and a camera if it plans to stick with the Face ID approach. The report also corroborates earlier rumors that the iPhone 17 Pro will come with a dual-finish design, combining glass and aluminum on the back for wireless charging capabilities. It was recently reported that the company is not planning to position the camera sensors in a straight L, unlike the Google Pixel lineup. Instead, the company will continue to feature the same triangular camera module as the iPhone 16 Pro. The iPhone 17 Pro is also expected to bring major changes to the cameras, but major upgrades are slated for the iPhone 18, as we have recently covered. Alongside the iPhone 17 Pro, Apple is also expected to redesign the iPhone 17 and introduce a new Air model which will be thinner than the iPhone 6 that launched back in 2014. We will keep a close eye on the latest, so do stick around.